Welcome to the Practical Guide on Amazon Q Business. This video will cover architecture diagrams, code examples, and best practices for leveraging this AWS AI platform service. In this video, which is categorized under the AWS AI platform, we will cover two main modules: setting up data connectors and what Amazon Q Business is. This diagram illustrates the Amazon Bedrock request pipeline, an end-to-end flow for AWS AI platform systems. It starts with the application using the AWS SDK, moves through the Bedrock runtime and guardrails, reaches the foundation model, and concludes with a response and logs. We now move into Module 1, setting up data connectors, a critical component of the AWS AI platform. Connecting data sources involves various connectors like S3, Confluence, and SharePoint to ingest documents, pages, and lists. Access control lists are managed through IAM Identity Center for user mapping, source system credentials, and ACL-aware connector configuration. Next, we will explore Module 2, what is Amazon Q Business? Amazon Q Business is a fully managed generative AI assistant for enterprises. Key features include over 40 data connectors, access controls that respect existing document-level permissions, and citation support with source document references for every answer. The Amazon Bedrock architecture stack is layered, starting with AWS security at the base, followed by Bedrock runtime, features, agents, and the application layer at the top. Each layer builds upon the one below it. Best practices include using the Converse API, enabling Bedrock Guardrails, and using VPC endpoints. Common mistakes include using root credentials, calling invoke model directly from the client, and ignoring retry logic or Bedrock Guardrails. Here is a production-ready Python pattern for the Converse API with streaming, showcasing how to invoke a model, pass messages, and stream the response content. Key takeaways emphasize Amazon Q Business as a core AI competency. Remember to understand the architecture, test rigorously, measure quality, build in security from day one, and follow the pipeline flow: application, Bedrock runtime, guardrails, and foundation model.